another video. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified when we put up new videos. If this isn't your first time, thank you so much for rocking with us. So today I'm going to actually show you how to achieve this simple style. I actually did this style in less than 5 minutes, I swear. This is actually a U-part wig that I made that I used to create this hairstyle. So if you want to see how I achieve this style, continue to watch.